Introducing the brand new ROCK R3 Pro. Improved accuracy, the simplest workflow, and the best thing about it is 30% lighter, 1.2 kilograms, 26 megapixel detachable camera, seamless integration into the drone, mission planning on the new ROCK Pilot app, best in-class accuracy with the new ROCK desktop, and quick and easy slam. Available now in the ROCK store, supported worldwide, link down in the description. With ROCK Slam, capturing building footprints, curves, indoors, and even pipes like this thing behind me is all possible. Basically, using the R3 Slam kit is an easy way to get accurate 3D data without flying. But we want to fly. Once you've connected your ROCK R3 Pro to the M300, it gets power directly from the drone. And it transmits data to the new ROCK Pilot app, so you can see your data in real time, mission plan, and oh yeah, no more manual calibration flights. But we want to see what the accuracy of this thing does, so let's fly. And oh yeah, the R3 Pro, not just a survey grade LiDAR. It also captures ortho photos to stitch together and make an ortho mosaic. Look at how great this data looks. And check out the rock solid colorization for perfectly aligned RGB. And perfectly aligned LiDAR strips. And to demonstrate the accuracy, I captured 99 GCPs. From this, I get a vertical accuracy of only 3.5 hundredths of a foot. That's only 1 centimeter. The R3 Pro is just another building block of what we here at ROCK Robotic have to offer. A comprehensive workflow for your business needs. Whether that's expert training, live hands-on support, LiDAR hardware, GNSS hardware, or LiDAR processing software, or even our new ROCK RTK GPS network, ROCK Robotic has the right hardware, software, and support that you need to become successful. Now, we're just getting started, and we're on a mission to revolutionize the 3D digital world. Stay tuned to this space, there's a lot more to come, and please like, subscribe, and I'll see you here next time here on Indiana Drones.